Don't buy a scanner if you have Photoshop in your computer. Yes, you're right. After watching this video, you can scan any document without scanner. Hello human bodies, welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. Let's begin the video. As you can see, I have opened a photo in my Photoshop. This photo was taken on my phone. This is an A4 size page. Now go to the toolbar and select the perspective crop tool. Search on internet to know the actual size of A4 size paper. It's 210 mm by 297 mm. Set the cropping size on Photoshop. Now make selection on the page using the perspective crop tool. Press enter button to crop the selection. The paper is cropped properly. Press D button to set black and white colors on color box. Click on this icon to exchange colors. The layer is locked. Double click to unlock the layer. Press Ctrl and T to transform. Now you can adjust the page. Press enter button to apply the transformation. Now go to image. Then adjustment. And then exposure. Adjust the exposure to reduce darkness. Click OK button. Now press Ctrl and L button to open level adjustment window. Adjust the level to remove all darkness from the page. Click OK button. Now create a new layer by clicking on this icon. Drag this layer to the bottom. My background color is white. So I have to press Ctrl and backspace to apply this color on the layer. I have to adjust the page position again. Press Ctrl and R button to enable rulers. Drag the ruler to see if my page is straight. As you can see, my page is not perfectly straight. Press Ctrl and T to transform. Right click here and click on Distort. Now drag this corner to straight the page. Press enter button to apply. Select the move tool. And drag the ruler to check all the sides are straight or not. Press Ctrl and R to remove rulers. I want to remove this text. So use rectangular mark tool to select the text area. My background color is already selected to white. I have to press Ctrl and backspace to apply this color on the selection. Press Ctrl and D to remove the selection. Select the text tool and type whatever you want. If you look carefully, you can see that these texts are a little unclear. We can fix them. Make selection on these texts using rectangular mark tool. Select the page layer. Press Ctrl and M button to open curves. Now make the text visible using curves, like this. Now you can save this file as a PDF document file in Photoshop. Go to File. Then Save As. Now change file format to PDF. Now click on Save. This is the PDF file I have created now. I hope you found this video useful. Consider to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.